Hey guys, today I stole Elon Musk's state-of-the-art spaceship. Let's find some people to go to space.
Huh?
A tree hugger.
Hello, good sir.
Hello, good sir.
No, I am a tree eater.
Wait, what?
Anyway,
Anyway.
do you want to go to space? For free.
Yes, please.
Okay. Follow me, amigo. Okay. Free ticket for just $10 quintillion.
That's not free.
It says free.
I can give you tree bark.
Bet. Okay. Here's your ticket, sir.
May I eat the ticket?
Yes. Here's more.
Yay!
Oh, ticket, yes. It's your pet. Okay. Let's go to very safe elevator.
It even has aura.
My pal Elon Musk safe tested.
No. Wait.
Enjoying the wind?
Wait.
The wind is wild.
We arrived. Now don't fall off.
You nearly pushed me,
Oh,
evil person.
very safe. Sir? That's not how it works.
Huh?
I went
You
in the
jump.
gaps.
Jump of fate. Let's go to space.
Sir, can I eat the jump?
No. You cannot.
Worst ride.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can I eat you?
No.
I am cannibal.
Maybe if you pay more.
Sorry, I am poor.
Our rocket.
Oh no!
How will I explain this to Elon Musk?
Did you demove it?
Maybe a little.
It looks a bit different.
The null zone glitched it for real. No
wow,
cap.
we are at the place,
Oh my god.
moon.
I think it's called. Yeah, the moon.
Sorry, I have 1% of a normal brain.
Huh?
Wow,
Is that cheese? The moon is made from cheese after all.
so there's something much better.
Huh? Where?
There's a room.
Lead.
Oh
Door?
my god, it's the bark rooms.
No way. The bark rooms. We're going to be rich.
I've been trying to find this for a long time. Sorry, sir, I am eating.
Uh-oh. It's fine, you deserve some.
I ate expired bark. I will explode
Oh
soon.
no. Now it's not worth anything. We gotta get to the hospital. Quick. I know how we can get off the moon. Physics. If we
Take
fall
me,
off the moon,
please.
we should get back to Earth.
Wait, let me ask ChatGPT. Here it says, we will burn in some atmosphere thing. Whatever that is.
You don't have to believe everything the internet tells you.
But bark burns. It is flammable.
Oh,
So it will burn the bark I ate and I will lose the expiredness. It's a good idea.
okay, so we have no other options.
Do not worry about yourself. I will sacrifice. Stay here.
No!